Here at Prismier, we know it's our people that make everything we do possible. Sure, we need raw materials and machines, tools and technology. But those resources would sit idle without the skills and experience of our employees. That's why we do our best to make sure Prismier is a great place to work. We've built a culture that puts people first, with our talented team right at the center. In fact, the people first principle is so important to us, we based our core values on it. Be nice, own it, appreciate ya, grow on. These core values not only guide our employees' actions and decisions every day, they promote open, honest communication throughout our workplace and beyond. This welcoming, positive environment becomes a catalyst for better teamwork and greater engagement, which ultimately creates a more rewarding experience for both employees and customers. Who wouldn't like to be a part of that?